Alright, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making fully loaded seafood pasta. You know, it's going to have crawfish, crab meat, shrimp, and sausage in there. I'm telling you, it's going to be hitting. Everybody going to want to make them something. I'm going to have my secret ingredient in there, so look out for it. Alright, and if you like the video, share the video, please, so I can blow up. You feel me? Alright, let's get it. Alright, y'all, this one I'll be using for my fully loaded seafood pasta. I got your shrimp right here. I got your sausage, I got your crab meat, and I got your crawfish. Also, I got jalapenos chopped up already, bell peppers, red onions, and regular onions, classic Alfredo sauce. And this is what I'm gonna be using to season my pasta. This is my secret ingredient right here. I got my sun-dried tomatoes in the oil, salt and pepper, garlic and parmesan, and cayenne pepper to add a little spice and flavor. And then we're gonna get cooking. All right, let's get it. So while the water's getting ready, I'm gonna go ahead and start cooking my sausage, shrimp, and my vegetables together. And then we're gonna put it in the sauce. All right, so right here, I added a little oil and butter, so the butter won't burn. The oil to keep that butter from burning. And then my crawfish and my crab meat is already cooked, so I'm gonna cook that last, and I'm gonna put that in there with the sauce and the pasta when it's already done. So we don't want to overcook the crab meat. So I'm gonna add this in there, get that flavor jumping. Now look, it's the reason I'm adding my vegetables last, because the vegetables has got water and juices in there, and I don't want it to, you know, be too saucy. I want my shrimp to burn a little bit with the sausage, to bring out that flavor some more, and then I'm gonna add the vegetables. Ooh, that's smelling good already. What got that? Ooh-wee, I want some food. Ooh-wee, I need some food. Tell me how this looks. It ain't burning like that. It ain't cooking right. Alright, now I think we should start adding our vegetables now. I'll add my jalapenos first. Bell peppers. Right now I got this on high, but you still not gonna cook the shrimp all the way, trust me. I'm gonna add my sun-dried tomatoes. Bam. Y'all see what I was talking about earlier? I want to put my vegetables in there first. It would have been a lot more sauce in here. You see all of that sauce from the vegetables and shrimp? So that's why I put my vegetables in there last. I'm gonna let the sun-dried tomatoes cook in there. And add that sauce. Well on our way. Look at that, it looks so good though. Alright, next, I'll go ahead and add my sauce. We're gonna want about 2 of these. As you see, I got a lot of pasta. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add my seasonings, top it off, my cayenne pepper. You know, get that sauce and flavor. Salt and pepper. And of course, some garlic and parsley. How's it looking? How's it looking? Sauce it up. Mix it in. Start to heat up, then I'm gonna go ahead and add my crawfish and my crab meat. And my pasta should be done in about 11 minutes. Pretty much how long you should cook the pasta for. I don't ever cook my pasta all the way because I like to cook the rest away inside the sauce. Give that pasta the same effect, same greatness, you know? Add that cheese on there, make it a little thicker, you know, cheesier. And that real cheese in there. You know the cheese flavor. Oh yeah, I'm sorry I'm a little messy too. I'm a messy cook. Sorry y'all. Everyone have to just bear with me. See how that smells. Let me see how that smells. Smelling good. Smelling good, looking good. Smelling and looking good. And now that that's starting to bubble up, I'm gonna go ahead and add my crab meat. My meat, you know, I want all of it. Alright, we'll add the crawfish. Mix it in there. That looks so good. You know what? You know what I'm doing for y'all today? I'm gonna actually try it. I'm gonna try the food out for y'all today. You know, that's what I'm gonna do for you. Y'all can know how it tastes. You know. Ooh. Ooh. looking? Tell me they ain't looking good. Alright, so it looks like my pasta is about done. I'm gonna go ahead and drain it. So yeah, if I did anything wrong, just let me know in the comment section. I pretty much got it down. So if y'all like this recipe, comment, subscribe, let me know. Give me some feedback. We're gonna go from there. So now, bye y'all. Tell me how that's looking. Tell me how that's looking. Tell me how that's looking. We got your crab meat, your sausage, your shrimp, your crawfish tails. Man, you can't get no better than this. You just can't. It just can't. I'm gonna put them on my mouth right now, but it's full.